So down below, we'll see all of our assembly questions. Assemblies would be set up custom to you, so they can be as detailed or as high level as you would like them to be. We'll give this wall a height, select which stud size we'd like, and the number of rows, and their spacing. And as we answer questions, the line items will start to populate based on the formulas that we've given them in the database. So we'll take our 2 line items here and we'll give them a unit price. And once we select Add to Estimate, they're now in our estimate as well.